Again, you are most welcome in the video class. Dear student, in previous video, you have seen there are two ways of reporting speech, direct and indirect. What is direct and what is indirect? That is very clearly defined before you. How pronouns have been changed, how some adverbs have been changed. You have got the idea about that. In this class, I am going to tell you about the condition of changing and how many kinds of sentences are involved in high school to be changed. So there are three. First one is statement. Second one is question. And third one is order and requests. These are the three categories which will be assessed in high school board examination. So I will tell you one by one. Statement. In previous video you have seen it, how the statements have been changed. Come to the questions. In this, our topic is questions. How questions are changed, we will see. Let us come to understand it through examples. Questions means interrogative sentences. What are interrogative sentences? The sentences which asks a question are known as interrogative question. In the end of such sentences, sign of interrogation or question marks are given. So how they can be changed from direct to indirect? These are of two types. Questions are of two types. One is known as prenominal. Prenominal questions and verbal question. Prenominal questions and verbal questions. Before going that, let's come to understand what are prenominal and what are verbal. Prenominal questions are those questions which starts with the words when, where, what, why, whom, whose, like that. Means WH question. In previously I have told you WH question. Or in other words you can say 7W words. 7W words. Previously told to you in the real classes. So these questions are known as prenominal questions. Prenominal questions which starts with the word what, when, why, where, whose, like that. Now verbal questions. The questions which are started from the helping verb. In very plain word you can say which are started from helping verb. like is, am, are, was, were, will, shall, like that. So these are known as verbal questions. One by one we will understand. While changing the direct narration into indirect, while changing the direct narration into indirect, after using asked and inquired, the question word is used. Before it asked or inquired is used. Come to understand this with some examples. He said to me. He said to me, what are you making? Comma close question mark. He said to me, what are you making? Here the question is started from the word what. It means it is prenomial question. How it can be changed? So previously you are very well aware about this type of changing. So I am not going to tell you those things which are unnecessary here. He, in place of said, in question in place of said, we used asked or inquired. We used asked or inquired. Here I am using asked. He asked me. He asked me. Comma will be removed. As you have come to know, I asked me. Here we do not use that. We do not use that conjunction. That is only used in statement. Okay. So he asked me. Now, if the question started with prenomial, means WH word or 7 words, we use that word as conjunction. He asked me what. Now subject will come. What? Here the pronoun is you. In previous video you have been clear that you is second person and it is changed according to the object of reporting verb. Here object is me. So he asked me what. According to me, what would be? You is converted to I. He asked me what I. R will change into what? What I was making. What I was making. Full stop. No inverted comma, no question mark is used here. Okay. He asked me what I was making. One more example. Where do you live? Where do you live? Here you can see that the order of the reported speech and reporting verb has been changed. Where do you live? Firstly come where do you live? It means it is the reporting speech, the reported speech. Asked the stranger. Asked the stranger. While changing it from direct to indirect, we will make it in sequence. Firstly, we place the reporting verb. The stranger asked. The stranger asked, where you is changed as per the object. Here object is not given, so you are free enough just to use. The stranger asked where I live. Full stop. Now come to the verbal type question. Verbal type question means the question is started with helping verb. I said to him, will you go there? Will you go there? Here, will is used, that is the helping verb. It means verbal question. So while changing such type of question, what should be made? Come to understand. I asked him. Here we do not use the helping verb to connect the reported speech with reporting verb. Then what we should do in case of this, if the reported speech starts with verbal question, to join the reported speech with reporting verb in indirect speech, we use if or whether. Why have used here? I asked him if you will be changed according to him. Second person will change according to the object. So what could be? If he would go there, if he would go there. In this way we change. Okay, these are the clarification about the questions. One more time I would like to summarize you what are the changes made. If the question is started with WH word, we use that word to connect the reported speech in indirect speech. Clear? Other changes are the same as the previous changes. Means tense changes, pronoun changes is the same like the previous one. If the question is started with helping verb, then in place of that helping verb use if or whether in order to connect the both part, means reporting verb and reported speech in the indirect speech. Very clear? Now come to the third type, order and request. Order and request. Come to the order and request. Order and request. If in the reporting verb, command and request have been made, the direct speech is introduced by some Ganguly said to Mahmood, go away, go away. What is given here? Order is given here. It is very clear in the reported verb that an order has been made here. Ganguly said to Mahmood, go away. We will change it. Ganguly, what has been made? Order. So Ganguly, on the place of said to, we use order. O-R-D-E, order. Ganguly ordered Mahmood. Ganguly ordered Mahmood to go away. To go away. It means previously I have told you in this case when order or request is made, how can we change? Said to means reporting verb will change into ordered, requested, permitted, allowed, like that. The word is expressing the mood of the speaker. Okay? And to link the reported speech, we change the verb into infinitive. Okay? Means we use to connect that. Let us take one more example. The teacher said to the student, the teacher said to the students, don't make noise. The teacher said to the student, don't make noise. What would be the answer? How can we change? So in indirect speech, we should write the teacher what have been made here? Don't make noise. Here you can use ordered. Here you can use suggested. Here you can use forbade. Here you can use instructed. Like that you can use. So the teacher forbade the students to make noise. But if any students is not very clear about the forbade, and if he use instructed or suggested, then what would be the answer? The teacher instructed the students not to make noise. Okay? said to me, the beggar said to me, please give me a rupee. Please give me a rupee. Here, begging is done. So how can we change the beggar prayed? P-R-A-Y-E-D. The beggar prayed me to give him a rupee. Clear? In this way, it is completed now. The statement, question and order and request. These are the portions which are included in high school narration. Thank you.